definite integrals. Evaluation of definite integrals by substitution. सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड को यूज करते हुए हम डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स के एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस कर रहे थे. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अनदर वन. नेक्स्ट वन इज इंटेग्रल ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 प्लस कॉस ऑफ एक्स. Integral of square root of 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Power is 3 by 2 and the limit goes to pi by 3 to pi by 2. In this question, first in the numerator we have the term in square root. So first rationalize it. Square root of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square and 1 minus cos of x at the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 minus cos square is sin square and square root of sin square is sin x. Sin x upon 1 minus cos of x square. Because 1 minus cos square x is equals to sin square x, and when we take square root on both sides, get the value as sin x. Sin x upon 1 minus cos x whole square, and the limit is pi by 3 to pi by 2. Now the derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of cos is minus sin. So put 1 minus cos of x as t. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos is minus sin. Sin x dx is dt upon t square. Can write it as t minus 2. Apply the power rule. X power n. X power n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon t. Now find the limits for the t, or find the limits for t. T is equals to 1 minus cos of x. When x is pi by 3, t is 1 minus cos pi by 3. What is the value for cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 1 minus half, and when x is pi by 2, t is 1 minus cos pi by 2 is 0. The limit goes to 1 by 2 to 1. Put the limits. Minus minus 1 plus 2, get the result as 1. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, हमारे पास न्यूमरेटर की टर्म स्क्वायर रूट में थी, इसलिए हमने सबसे पहले रैशनलाइज किया. आफ्टर रैशनलाइजिंग पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स एज साइन स्क्वायर एक्स एंड वी हैव द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इन द न्यूमरेटर. सो पुट डिनोमिनेटर टर्म एज t and change the limits of x to t and substitute the values. Now the next one is integral of x tan inverse goes to 0 to 1. Inverse function as first and algebraic function as second. First function as it is integral of second minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. Integral of x is x square by 2 tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integral of x is x square by 2. X square by 2 tan inverse x. Add and subtract 1 in the numerator. Now separate the terms by taking x square plus 1 as one term. X square by 2 tan inverse x minus half x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Integral of 1 is x and integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Limit is 0 to 1. X square plus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x minus x by 2, limit goes to 0 to 1. Put the limits now. 1 square is 1 tan inverse 1 minus 1 by 2 minus lower limit 0 plus 1 by 2 tan inverse 0 minus 0. 2 by 2 is 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 minus half. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So we get the result as pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now the next one is next question is integral of 1 minus x square upon x4 plus x square plus 1 and the limit is 0 to 1. In the denominator, we have the term of power 4. So first take x square common from the numerator and the denominator. X square plus 1 upon x square. Now 1 is the derivative of x and 1 upon x square is derivative of 1 minus 1 upon x. Take negative sign common. A square plus b square plus 2ab. We can write it as 1 minus 1 by x square dx upon x plus 1 by x whole square minus 1. Now derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So let this term as t. Put x plus 1 by x as t. Derivative of x is 1 and x minus 1 upon x square. When x is 0, minus 1 minus x square dx is dt upon t square minus 1. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square is equals to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Or we just minus sign here, dt upon 1 minus t square, and apply the formula for integral of 1 upon a square minus x square 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x. What is the value of t? X plus 1 by x. One by t 2 log of x plus x square plus 1 x minus x square minus 1. Limit is 0 to 1. Minus log of, put the limit as 0, 1 by 2 log of minus 3 minus log of minus 1. 1 by 2 log of minus 3 and log of minus 1. Here we have modulus sign. So negative ka modulus is positive and log of 1 is 0. So we get the answer as 1 by 2 log 3. Log of 1 is 0. Log of minus 3 is equals to log 3. और log a minus log b हम ये भी रूल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. 1 by 2 is common. Log of a minus log b, log a upon b, 1 by 2 log 3. Next one is integral of 24x cube upon 1 plus x square power 4. Limit is 0 to 1. Now we have x square in the denominator. So write x cube as x into x square. Now we have the derivative of x square, that is x. So put x square as t. Derivative of this is 2x dx dt. When x is 0, t is also 0, and when x is 1, t is 1. Now put the values. 24, 0 to 1, x dx is dt upon 2, x square is t upon 1 plus t power 4. In the numerator, add and subtract 1. 12 t plus 1 upon t plus 1 power 4 minus 1 upon t plus 1 power 4. Limit goes to 0 to 1. Integral of t plus 1 power minus 3 minus t plus 1 minus 4. Integral of x power n plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. And minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Minus 6 upon t plus 1 whole square minus plus 4 upon t plus 1 whole cube. Minus 6 upon t plus 1 whole square. Now take the LCM. Put the values first. 1 plus 1, 2 square. 1 plus 1, 2 cube. Minus lower limit 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. Minus 6 upon 4 plus 4 upon 8 minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 and minus sign here. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Now the next one is integral of x into x minus 4 power 1 by 3 dx, and the limit goes to 4 to 12. Now we have the term x minus 4 here, so add and subtract 4 and take x minus 4 as the one term. X minus 4 into x minus 4 power 1 by 3 plus 4 into x minus 4 power 1 by 3. Base are same, so add the power 1 by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. X minus 4, 4 by 3, x minus 4, 1 by 3. Integral of x power n, power rule, x power n plus 1. 4 by 3 plus 1, 7 by 3. And 1 by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Limit is 4 to 12. Three by 7, x minus 4 power 7 by 3 minus 3 x minus 4 power 4 by 3. Put the upper limit now. 3 by 7, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 12 minus 4, 8. Lower limit, 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is again 0. Here we have 7 by 3. So write 8 as 2 cube. Three power will cancel. 2 power 7. Take 3 into 16 common. Here we have plus sign. 8 plus 7, 15. 48 multiply 15 upon 7. That is 720 upon 7. integral of x square into sin x dx. Limit goes to 0 to pi by 2. These terms are in product. So apply the rule integral by parts by taking algebraic as first and trigonometric function as second. First function as it is integral of second minus integral of derivative of first integral of second. Integral of sine is minus cos. Derivative of x square is 2x. Integral of sine is minus cos. Minus x square cos of x plus 2. Again x as first and cos as second. First function integral of second minus integral of derivative of first integral of second. Minus x square cos x integral